We have extra makeup brushes.
What?
Yeah, these are like...
This is the extra stash?
Yes, the extra. So like if my brushes are dirty, I'll grab one out of here. They're actually organized by brand. Oh my gosh.
I'm so stoked because exclusive, we are seeing your makeup room.
Yep, it's never been seen before. You guys have seen like a little bit of my makeup, but you haven't seen the room, so this is the grand tour.
I'm so excited.
So right over here, we have the beauty room.
Amazing!
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Yes, so this is where I film, where I get glam, where I do everything right in this room.
So much makeup all the time.
Reporting live, we have too much makeup.
This looks like the most intense collection of makeup I think I've ever seen.
It is, oh yeah, it's pretty intense. I mean, I'm not gonna downplay it. So starting out in here, this is like my little special trophy wall, if you will.
I see Kim K.
Kim
makes a
K,
cameo.
girl, Kim's on the trophy wall. Mariah Carey, she wrote me a letter.
What? Of course she did it in a gold Sharpie.
Absolutely, that's all she writes in, just gold heavenly Sharpie.
It's like your life on a wall.
Yeah, right here, ta-da, on a wall. So super special wall for me. So now we'll head over to the makeup wall.
What? It's literally an entire
wall of makeup.
Yes.
Yes, this is my makeup wall. It kind of morphed into this. Now all these plus this. I was
Wait,
like, oh my gosh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then that.
I'm embarrassed now. So the best part about all this is that it's very, very, very organized. So I know where everything is. And then we have them all labeled. What is in every drawer, darling?
So if you're going to do a look or a video and you're like, oh, I really need that NARS glitter whatever thing, you know where it is. And you know what you have.
So if you were like, let me get that NARS glitter lippy, I would just be like, okay, let me go. This is the lippy section. And then I would, alphabetical order, I would go down to N. Boom, baby.
What?
Yep, and be able to.
Oh my gosh,
look,
this is a
exactly what you were
dream.
talking about, right?
Legit.
I would be able to pull it.
I could name almost anything. I bet you have it in here.
Yeah, right, exactly. Yep.
So this whole section you said is lips.
So these 3 are lips, and then these 2 are eyeshadow and eyeshadow palettes. And you may see a lot of stuff up in the clear ones, and you're like, well, that's foundation, concealer, and I see eyeshadow palettes, but this is all drugstore. So
Oh my
if I want to do an
goodness.
affordable look or reach for my drugstore product, I have it right here, and it's all very organized. And then over here is ColourPop. ColourPop just has so much makeup. They have their own section
They
in
really
my
do
room.
have so much makeup.
Right?
Do you have favorite pieces you find yourself reaching for time and time again?
Yes, absolutely.
And do you keep them in a certain spot?
I try very hard not to do that, specifically to get my creative juices flowing. And so I'll open the drawers and start digging through and see what I haven't been using. So I won't use the same product all the time. But I'll tell you, on my filming desk, I have a drawer of my
Let's see
everyday
what's over.
stuff. So over here, I have my lip liners, setting sprays, a couple favorite facial primers. Girl, these are my eyeshadow brushes I use every day.
And everything looks, by the way, spotless and completely organized. Like,
I
do you spend an hour cleaning brushes every day?
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I would love to lie right now and be like, yes, I do. But my assistant does it for me. Yeah,
so
she's
nice.
amazing. After I film, she comes in, pulls the dirty brushes, and gives them a clean. So here is, these are the brushes that I use like every day.
Okay, so break
Right?
it down. What do we got in here? All Morphe?
All Morphe, and then we have some like Smashbox and Artiste brushes back here. Yeah, but pretty much all Morphe. Here's my favorite Y6
I was
brush
just
from
saying,
Morphe.
what's a favorite?
Oh, she's dirty, girl. And now this is the drawer I was talking about with like some essentials in it.
Okay, break it down. What are the essentials?
Yeah, let's break it down. We have lip balms and lip scrubs.
Lashes.
Reuse lashes. Here, one pair of lashes. I got you right here. And then some lash glue, tweezers, and things like that.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so these are like my gotta have stuff.
Yes.
Yes, right there. And then this is where I sit, so this monitor's on, and this is where I look at myself all the time and get in trouble in my videos. They're like, look at the camera, not yourself, Laura.
She uses the monitor as a mirror. People don't get
All the
upset.
time.
Don't get upset. It just happens.
I do. That's a true story.
What would you say is your favorite video you've ever done?
I would say one of my favorite videos I've ever done was whenever I did 15 hairstyles in like a couple minutes.
Oh, yes.
And it's my most viewed video actually, which is so funny. But I did it like a couple years ago, and I think that video was like a launching point for my channel because it went so viral, and it was kind of like, oh, who's this creature? It's me! So yeah, and I kind of look at the hairstyles I did, I'm like, those are so bad, Laura. You could have done better, but I think it was a launching point for my channel.
What about something that you've done that you're like, I'm not doing that again?
I think I'm gonna give up my days of testing fake makeup. So there's a lot of makeup that comes out, like they make fake Kylie, you know what I'm saying? Like fake Morphe.
Yeah, it's marginally dangerous.
And I always do this long, boring spiel in the beginning of videos. Don't buy this makeup, you don't know what's in it. Like trying to get people to open their eyes and just don't do it. I'm like, if you want affordable makeup, go to the drugstore. Don't get the knockoff. So, you know, I'll test it out and basically show them it's poo-poo makeup.
Right.
And my skin has taken a beating from that.
Man.
So yeah, I think I'm gonna like cut that out.
Yeah, that's smart.
Oh my gosh. Hello.
Yes.
Here's
Look
another trophy wall.
Another amazing wall.
Yes. This is when I hit 1 million subscribers on my channel. And this is an old school. This is very ancient artifact here. This is when I hit 100,000 subscribers on my channel. I wish they put the date on here. That would be kind of dope. Notes to YouTube. And then this is like the new hyped up one from like this year when my vlog channel had hit 100,000.
Big plans for 2019. What do you got happening?
Huge plans for 2019. I feel like I want to start a comedy channel, which is crazy, right? I'm
no,
like, what am
not
I doing
crazy.
with my life? But I really want to start a comedy channel and let that happen. I'll still do beauty and I'll still upload to my beauty channel, but I just want to explore that genre. Like I have so much fun filming. Like I'm never like, okay, here's this product, let's talk about it. I'm like, oh my God, like already crazy. So I feel like my audience is gonna be like, we get you, girl.
Yes.
We get you.
100%.
Yeah. Subscribe to E.T.'s channel before you leave. Subscribe to the channel.